What's up, folks? Another quick one. So I've been trying to make these custom ones to sell, Funko Pops, and I solved a way for the heads to fit. The DC, this is a DC body, and it has the circle here, and this is a Marvel head, and what goes in here is a spring to make it like bobbly. The DC one is not like that, so as a result, this hole is bigger than the one on the DC. So without this here, it would just fall off, you know. Actually, I have, yeah. So pretty much it would, you had to balance it or it'd fall off. So I was trying to think of how I could fix that. And I found these at the craft store, which are just pretty much foam this thick. And I had to cut it a little bit. I don't know how many inches these are, but you see that. This is one whole thing. So I pretty much had to cut it in half. And I E6000 it on. And that way now when I put it on, it stays on and you could still turn the head. And that is my quick and easy solution. Somebody said like put a nail in it when I had asked this before. So I don't know if you have experience making custom pops. I'd appreciate it because I don't know if I'm always going to be able to find these everywhere. Let me know. I'll see you in the next episode.